Pretty Bird, say hi, everybody. Alrighty, guys. Here's Pretty Bird at the end of one of her tub sessions. Yes. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. You had lots of fun playing in a tub, huh? Did you play? Did you play? Yes, you did. That's my pretty. My pretty. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty. Anyways, we wanted to say hi real quick and show you all that Pretty Bird is doing well. We actually had planned to make a video this morning, but sadly, when I woke up at 5 a.m., specifically to take Pretty Bird out for a walk, the temperature outside was at 103 degrees at 5 a.m. So yeah, that's Arizona summer for you. So obviously we had to cancel the walk because we were not going to be doing that to Pretty Bird's poor little flippers. And instead, Pretty Bird's getting to have some fun today with a bath and a shower. Anyways, Pretty Bird has been doing well. She's been a little bit restless because she does need to get out. So I'll be checking the temperatures again this evening and then tomorrow morning, and then trying to see what temperature it'll be right at sunrise, and setting my alarm to check it early in the morning. So hopefully you guys will get a video of her grazing and getting to take a walk early in the morning. And yes, I can't wait to live somewhere where Pretty Bird does not have to worry about her little feet getting burned for a huge part out of the year, making it impossible for her to go grazing as much as she wants and needs to. Now, it's not like Pretty Bird doesn't get her grass when this happens. She has kale, cucumbers, broccoli, and carrots, and all kinds of yummies that I purchase for her on a regular basis. And then I also go outside and I actually cut grass for her from the parks, and I bring it in for her to eat when we can't, when I can't take her out because the ground's too hot. And just like you, if you are a dog owner, would pay attention to asphalt and how hot it's getting, you know, and to the temperatures to prevent your dogs or your puppies or any other pets you might be walking from burning their little feet. It's the same thing with Pretty Bird. I gotta make sure she doesn't burn her little flippers. We also wanted to welcome anybody who's new on our channel. We have made it to 163 subscribers, and that is a lot for us, and we are very grateful for everyone who's decided to stick around and subscribe to the channel. We are excited that there are so many people who are interested in getting to know Pretty Bird and our little cockatiels, which actually one of them won't leave me alone, which is not a bad thing. But this little girl right here, this is Winter. She's a 6-week-old albino cockatiel, and she's still being hand-fed. And every time I walk away, she comes flying and tries to catch up with me. And her flight is not very good yet. She's very unstable still. She's still learning. But it's super sweet because it seems as though she has kind of imprinted on me, or attached to me, basically. Probably because I'm the one that feeds her most of the time. But we also have an itty-bitty baby cockatiel that's only a few weeks old and still a nestling. And we have 2 adult cockatiels. And if you've seen our channel previously, or if you maybe missed the update about the orphan quails that we rescued from our yard, they got super lucky, and we found a person who was able to accept them, to take care of them, and you know, rehabilitate them for the wild or do whatever it is that they needed to have done. So they were accepted by somebody who knows what they're doing and has experience with them, and I felt that that was the best solution, especially since we are looking into moving soon, and also because even though I have owned quails in the past, well, raised quails in the past, I have never raised quails to release them or raised quails that were gamble quails, and I wanted to make sure that for rehabilitation purposes that they wouldn't get tamed, and I already had one of them that was very, very, very much attaching. So this person will be able to do whatever they need to make sure they have the best life possible, and will be able to return to the wild and be free if that is the best thing for them, and if not, that they will be with somebody who, you know, is licensed or permitted or has the proper, you know, circumstance, equipment, or land for them to live a happy life. But yeah, we do miss them, but we're very happy for them. Right, pretty bird? So you don't miss them. You're just happy I'm giving you more attention now, huh? Say, that's not true. Mama's always spoiling you. It doesn't matter how many pets we have in the house or what's going on. Pretty bird's always getting spoiled. Pretty bird's always getting spoiled. Pretty bird's always getting spoiled. By the way, I'm not holding on to her beak. It's like almost like a game. Like I wipe it down, and she puts her beak in my hand a lot of times on purpose. Watch. Let's see if she does it again. You gonna do it again? You gonna do it again? No? Not right now? Okay. Pretty bird. You gonna play? What are you doing? Cuckoo? 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 Pretty pretty. Pretty pretty. Oh, Pretty Bird. Anyways, for anybody who's new to the channel, this is Pretty Bird, our hybrid pet goose. She's a little over a year old. Her birthday was on the 16th of April. She is a hybrid, what we believe to be between a Chinese farm goose, and, likely a brown Chinese, actually, or a African goose, and likely a Canada goose. We don't know for sure. She was a homeschool project egg that wasn't even supposedly fertilized, and then turned out to be fertilized. Where are you flying to? Where are you flying to? What happened? Where are you going? Where are you going? Anyways, she hatched. She was the one out of 2 eggs that ended up hatching, and we fell in love with her. She's adorable, she's a sweetheart, and she became part of our family. And if you're wondering how I got her to be so quiet and not to be honking up a storm inside the house, that is just her. This has nothing to do with training. I did not teach her inside-outside voice. This is just Pretty Bird, and is very unlikely for a goose. Normally geese are extremely loud, so they usually have a lot to say. It's just in their nature that they make a lot of noises, and Pretty Bird just turned out to be a quiet goose. So this is not something I was able to train her to be like or anything, and we just got lucky in that sense. So anyways, we hope that you stick around for more videos in the future if you're just visiting or if you're new, and that you'll decide to subscribe to our channel for more content about our beautiful birdies, and that you'll share the videos with your friends and family, guys, so that they too can meet our cutie pies and our beautiful hybrid here, Pretty Bird. And leave us comments. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed seeing Pretty Bird play and splash in her bathtub, having some fun today, since we were unable to get outside for our walk this morning. Ah, you're getting a big bird. Bye-bye, Pretty Bird. Say love y'all. Bye, everybody.